What's up, everybody? Glad you're tuning in. It's Crypto Vision here again with another crypto market update. Today's video, we're going to be going over XLM and kind of going over this last correction, and hopefully we're seeing a relief rally and not just a rally to push us back down. So if you like today's video, drop a like, hit that sub button, and leave a comment where you're tuning in from. Appreciate it. So if we're looking at this on the weekly chart, all right, we drew these horizontal lines of interest yesterday, I'm pretty sure. And so we came back, almost took out this low, right? Just wicked right above it, front ran it, excuse me, and still below the trend line. So high possibility, not a high possibility, but until we get back above within this zone, we can see some lower prices. So not too excited yet. If you watch my Chainlink video, check that out. Chainlink is ripping and running, baby. That thing wants to just lead the pack. That thing wants to get going. Hopefully it pulls up these other large cap altcoins and, you know, we get moving and grooving, right? We want to see higher prices. So overall, this looks pretty good. It's above all the EMAs. They're pointed up, so healthy, 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 healthy. We still have this red dot on the weekly. We haven't really done much. We did break this 59.31 on the weekly, but it is during this week, so this could easily flip. Easily flip. We could be aiming at this. We could be doing this where we come down and test this again. All right, we could test this and then keep moving. So either way, or it could just be a little fake out and we go up. We're not going to get closure on that till the end of the week, and we'll cover that later. So overall, there's nothing to add here. Let's go to the daily, and like I said, so we came down, broke the channel, bounced off the 50, came up, came down the lost the channel, closed below the 50. How much you want to bet? Everybody was freaking out right here. Everybody was freaking out. I guarantee you. Oh no, we lost the 50. We lost the 50. We lost the 50. We're going down to the 100. We're going down to the 1. That's the next stop. We're going to close below here. We're going to back test it. Nope. Right, we're fighting. We're fighting. We're fighting. We're fighting above it. We did the same thing right here. We kind of wicked, touched it, and ran. So we do need to hold this 50-day EMA. So what is that? 39.3. That's kind of the line in the sand for me right now. If we're looking at low to high, we'll take this high because that's the fake out high. I mean, there's no real structure to that right there. There's nothing right there. Maybe if we come through here and take this one, maybe we'll get something, some kind of relevance. Nope, nothing really. So it's just the 50 right there, just the 50. So let's stay above this. Let's stay above this. I don't want to see us close below the 50, like a full body candle close. So let's just stay above the 50. That would be beautiful. That would be absolutely beautiful. We're still below the 9, still kind of facing down, but it gives us an opportunity to rip through the 9. When you rip through the 9, you have big moves, really big moves. So right here, we're down below the 9, ripped through the 9, right, ripped through the 9. So what was that percentage from the 9 up? 113%. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, 113%. Can't even get it on here. From here, 113%, 89 cents. I'll take 89 cents. I'll take a 90-cent XLM. All right, I'll take a 90-cent XLM with are you kidding me? 90 cents. All right, that 3414. Typically an area of interest once you get through this 2618. If you close above the 2618, it's kind of where you like to go. If you wick above the 2618, you wick typically to the 2886 to the 3, and then you reject. So close above the 2618, we're looking at higher prices. Okay, that looks good. This looks good, right? We still have this wave down with the stochastic flat. We haven't just gone up. We haven't just gone up, right? Up. Like this wasn't a great move. Not a great move. Not a great move like this, right? This is what we didn't want. We don't want a green dot and then rip up. I mean, the stochastic almost. I mean, it went up almost all the way to the one, right? This is the zero. This is the one. Something like this. Bad. Green dot. We're ripping up. So right now we're just kind of going sideways. XLM's really like I'm not really. I'm not entertained by this move yet. XLM likes to move crazy. So when we move, he's ready to move. It's a he or a she, whatever. It likes to move. It likes to run. Look at this though. We drew this. We drew this yesterday, and I mean a perfect bounce. We drew this yesterday. Perfect bounce. Can we close? I want to see us get through this channel. I want to see us get through this channel. It is on the 4-hour channel, so I'll see where we're at. Um, so it is, we'll see, we'll take a look at the 4-hour. But do we have bullish divergence? Is that what I want to see? Do we have bullish divergence or hidden 3669 3909? Do we have a lower 4257? 4257. I mean, yeah, that's great. That is great. I mean, they're equal. They're identical. They're identical. This is so bullish. This is so bullish. So let's use this momentum what we have right here. Let's use this. We have a higher low and we have a higher low in price, and we have an equal low in RSI. So we're at the same point of RSI for this move. And I mean, look at this too. This came up, wanted to back test this, and ripped and ran. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to get above. We need to get above this, 40.8. I really want to see us. I mean, I want to see us just rip through this 20-day EMA. I don't want to see us get rejected from it. I want to just see us rip right through. Rip right through. We can close right below, and then keep going. So, yeah, that looks great. That looks absolutely great. Can I give us a price target for today's move? Can I do that? Give us something where I think we're going to go. I mean, this is a tiny. Okay. So we've come up, came back down and almost looks like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Are we going to get a V shape or are we going to go sideways? I would like to go V shape. I mean, everyone wants V shape. But in reality, I just want to be able to get up above this moving average in any way, shape, or possible. If we come up, I don't really want to see us rejected at all. I kind of want to see us do something like this, like that, and then get out of both. Get out of Dodge, get above the 236, right? Something like that, and then get going. Get out of here. Something like that would be nice. If we, and it's not to scale, right? It's not to scale. It's just an idea of the type of movement I want to see, right? We can go sideways for a little bit, come up, come down, come up, come down, then go. All right, take some more time, be a little bit healthier. So, yeah, we can't get faked out right here. This can't be just a prolonged 1, 2, 3, right? 3, 4, 5. We don't want that to happen. So, still keeping our wits about us. We definitely need to hold 38.4. Definitely need to hold 38.4, but this area of interest right here, this 39.3, is where the 50-day moving average is, and we need to hold that. We really need to hold that, because if we don't hold that and we close below, if we start closing below the 50, then we target the 1, right? Then we're down to this 35-cent range, and then you're like, oh gosh, we're below this. Now is the 9 going to cross the 50 down? It just prolongs everything, right? It just prolongs everything. Kind of just makes everything muddy. It muddies the water. So if we're looking at the 4-hour, well, this is good. This actually looks good. This looks good. This looks corrective, right? We're kind of oscillating down, oscillating down. It's not just this anymore. It's not just a steep drop. Right, we come back down, we come up, come down, come up, come down, come up. That's good. This is what I really like to see, though. People typically freak out when this happens, right? So when something like this happens, right? Oh no! Or so when the 50 crosses the 200. So if this were to cross, but I typically like to get it. It typically is over once the 50 crosses the 1, and on the 4-hour, right? On the 4-hour. So if we're looking on the 4-hour, where's the 50 cross the 1? 50 cross the 1 right here. Look what happened after we went up, right? 50 cross the 1 right here. Right, we kind of finished it off. It was pretty aggressive right here. So we dropped 7% in the matter of what 12 hours, 16 hours, so less than a day. Where did we drop from here? So this crossed right here. So we came up, came down another 4.5%, 5% in 12 hours. I mean, it's kind of a lot. If I'm being honest, it's kind of a lot, especially if you're not used to crypto. If you're not used to crypto, then that's a lot. Can we have any other instance of that? Something like, no, it's all bad over here. Is this below? This is kind of the trifecta, though. This is a trifecta. This is pretty bad right here. But it was close, right? We still came down, and then we got some kind of relief. It did slam us way back down again, but we did get a relief rally. We did get a relief. We went down from 25 to 27 cents. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it's actually a good amount. 8%, 9%. That's a good little pump. So overall, this does look corrective in nature. Right? I don't want to see us. I mean, look at that. Look at this candle. This candle does not know what to do. It is good that we're closing up above this last candle. But it's not a lot of room. Right? It doesn't give us a lot of room to run or move. So I don't like to see this. I don't like to see this. I don't like to see us hit a green dot and then bounce on the stochastic like this. Because typically, yeah, you get a couple green in a row and then you just get slammed down. There's just no momentum. We're trying to break out. We're trying to break out. Do we have bullish divergence on the 4-hour? Let's see. 30-30, 29-40. Yeah, but we have lower low on price as well. So no. Do we have any bearish now? Okay. So we're not forming anything yet. We're just dropping in price. We haven't held price very well. So that's not the best thing in the world. But if there is a positive, we are above the moving average again. All right, above the moving average one more time. Can we do it again, right? We did it up here, failed. We did it right here, failed. And we're back at it again. If we drop below this moving average, we are getting oversold. Or we bounced off the oversold, bounced off the oversold. I, it's if you're looking at this from a bullish standpoint, right? You're getting, if this was inverted, you could see that we're getting higher highs. If it was, right, if we're looking at it like if it was up top, right? So their lower lows are our higher highs with higher prices. So there's nothing yet. So if we do see something in the likes of, we need to see, honestly, we need to see this slam down and our price stay relatively the same. This 4 hour is not closing, or, oh, we did close. We did close. Cool. So we closed, but I mean, it doesn't look very strong. I mean, that looks like it wants to just slam back down, if I'm being honest. That doesn't look strong. So, overall, if I'm deciding whether this move is done or not for XLM, I think we come down. I think we come down more. I do. I do. I do. I don't. This structure right here just doesn't look strong. I mean, if you're looking at chain link, that looks strong. All right, that looks strong. You have candles building momentum, building momentum. This this looks weak. This looks weak as hell. Look at this. Look at this wick to the upside. Just slam down, wick to the upside, slam down, wick to the upside, slam down, slam down. It's just everything is slamming us down right here. There's so much selling pressure right up through here. People are just shorting the market through here. So, if we can get above this 40 cent mark, what did I say on the daily? Yeah, that 40.5, 40 cent mark. That's where the moving average is on the 4 hour. So here's my prediction. If we do this, all right, reject off the 50, that's fine. And then come down, and close above the 2, that'd be nice. Close above the 200, that'd be really nice. And then rip. All right, that's one scenario. If we come up, I can leave this scenario actually. Something like that. Who knows? Let's do that right there. If I'm going to put this a different color, we come up and reject off of this right here. Oh yeah, we're coming down to here. We're coming down for sure. I'd say we're going to make a higher low still. We're going to come down to here at 36 cent level. If that's the bad, that's bad. That's the bad scenario. So we'll make it red. So it's really ideal to get through this area right here. It's really key. It's really key. All right, we could even come down through here. No, I like that. Yeah, because you're gonna come through here and then reject off the. Let me redraw it because you're gonna reject off the 50-day EMA. So I'll draw 3 because I drew 3 with that one. All right, so we're gonna come up like that, something like that. All right, you have 2 scenarios, right? Those are the 2 scenarios I'm thinking. This is the point of interest right up through here. This is the point of interest. I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark this right here. All right, point of interest right there, 40.6. We need to close above that. We need to close above that full body candle close on the 4 hour or fully closed up on the daily. So that's what I got for you today on XLM. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, hit that sub button, leave a comment where you're tuning in from. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but I'm still very high on XLM. It's a very large portion of my portfolio. I just think we're not the strongest right now. XLM doesn't look the strongest overall until we start getting back in our channel and then closing, right? We got to get above these EMAs. Right? Being below EMAs is just risky because you have the chance of rejecting an EMA and then just going lower. So overall, if you liked the video, like I said, drop a like. Appreciate you stopping by. You have a good rest of your day. Peace.